In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log activities in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign into your HubSpot CRM account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, open the record where you want to track your activity. This could be a contact, a company, a deal, or a ticket, depending on the type of interaction you want to document. Choosing the correct record is important because it keeps your CRM organized and makes it easier to review communication history later. After opening the record, click the Activities tab. This is where HubSpot lets you add and manage the interactions connected to that record. Inside this section, you'll be able to choose the activity type you want to log. If you want to save general information or context, select Note to log a note. This is useful for internal updates, reminders, or details you want your team to see. If you need to record an email interaction, select Email to log an email. This helps preserve a history of communication in one place. To document a phone conversation, select Call to log a phone call. If you held or scheduled a discussion, select Meeting to log a meeting. And if you want to create a follow-up action item, select Task to create and log a task. Once you've chosen the activity type, enter the activity details. Be as clear and specific as possible so the information will be useful later. Depending on the type of activity, you may also want to add notes, comments, or outcomes. For example, you might summarize what was discussed, note the result of a call, or include key takeaways from a meeting. This extra detail can be very helpful for collaboration and future follow-up. If necessary, associate the activity with related records. This is especially useful when one interaction connects to more than one item in your CRM, such as a contact linked to a company or a deal. Making these associations helps create a more complete picture of the relationship and saves time when reviewing account history. Before finishing, review the activity information carefully to make sure everything is accurate. Check that the right activity type is selected, the details are complete, and the correct records are associated. When everything looks good, click Save, Log, or Create, depending on the options shown for that activity. Finally, verify that the activity appears in the activity timeline. This confirms that your entry was successfully recorded and is now part of the record's history. Thanks for watching.